Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, we've got flat to down futures following yesterday. I don't know, somehow yesterday the market actually just creeped up on everybody. Not expecting it, not very tight range though all day. Really not much trading going on yesterday. Probably, thinking something similar today, right? What you've been finding on days like this is we haven't had any real big downward pressure. So even when you expect the big down moves, the moves are, getting little bumps down, followed by buy programs. So remember what I told you yesterday morning? Same thing applies. You could have done it yesterday a whole bunch of times. You can't predict the buy program, but you could sell the spike of the buy program for a quick move, very quick. But what it'll be, you'll see so the futures will be trading, let's say 11:05, 11:05, 11:05. 11:08, boom, boom, boom. You see the spike. If you sell into the spike, it's going to come back down to 11:06, 11:05. That you're going to get that nice 25, cent, up and down, 30 cent, up 20, 25 cent down. Take it. It's been, by the way, instant gratification because there haven't been these extended moves either. They've had these spikes come in, slowly build. So it's been much harder to predict on the long side. I've seen that trade's been there on the short side, and more than anything else, it's been the individual plays. You've got to look towards the individual stocks, see if there's strength or particular weakness in any groups. Oil looking decently strong. Maybe there's a play in there. Maybe financials will be a little weak. Who knows? Right? Retail looks pretty weak. The interesting thing is gold, which is up, is down $4 from where it was before, at least when I saw it, and gold's had a tendency to gap up and drift down as well. Take a gap up and pull down in the first move. So as you're looking at these options, just weigh them, carefully. These are not home run days unless you start getting the big selling pressure or the big, buying moves up. Did they rest yesterday? No, not really. We actually ended up on a day when we probably should have ended a little down. So, I think the market will take back yesterday's gains, right? 30 points. Whether we go down 50 or 70 or go up 50 or 70 and then end up the day in that mid-range, it's probably what's going to happen. The only thing that would change that kind of outcome is if you start seeing the real pressure. So look if there's going to be selling pressure. Look for that. Look if the market's going to, just continue to slowly drift up, right? And most importantly, when you see those quick spikes, the quick little buy programs, just short those quick little buy programs. That's then keeping the markets up and not letting them fall. And until there's selling pressure, we're just not going to fall. And you just got to hold out and wait for your situations. Okay? Good luck.